मैम सेंटर
मैम ये
सेंटर हम 16 पीछे वंदर या मैम क्रॉस ओपन लास्ट वन
लाइट आ रहा है
सेंटर
These Dutch angles are damn funny, huh?
मैम या
This line is called Amo, and this collection is called Itwara, which means traveler. And this is actually very, very new to what Jade actually has been doing, which is couture and heavy stuff. This is really fluid and light and very boho and cool. So we both love it. We love what we're wearing. Also, the textiles that they've used is like hand woven textiles. A lot of woven Banarasi, khadi, silk. And cotton, organic linen, so really eco-friendly fabrics and very, very beautiful.
I think what she said is also a part of that, and I think amoha means without more. So it comes from the most ideal state of being, and I think that's what the inspiration behind the label was. And I think Itwara, something that you told me earlier was quite beautiful, that it's about people who want to express their thoughts and individuality through ensembles. So I think this is absolutely perfect description of what we are wearing as well. They're very feminine silhouettes and they're very comfortable. They represent you actually. They make you feel very comfortable and comfortable in your skin and comfortable with what you're wearing. And the flowiness of it I really like. And yeah, I mean, as she was saying, it's also made with bamboo roots, some of the fabric. It's very eco-friendly. Yeah, to you.
The collection is called Itwara. Itwara is a traveler. So we've kind of used a lot of eco-friendly, as they both said, but used exotic Banarasi fabrics with some stunning workmanship, but at the same time kept the silhouettes very simple and feminine. Like that's the beauty. Like you see the beauty of a Banaras fabric when you keep the garment simple.
And what was the inspiration behind your collection?
Inspiration, as I said, Itwara is a traveler because we've used hand woven and eco-friendly cottons, silks from all over India. So that's the inspiration. Itwara is a traveler.
फेस्टिवल भी आ रहा है और मतलब फेस्टिवल चल भी रहा है और आ भी रहा है तो फेस्टिवल में आप लोगों को हम किस तरह के कलेक्शन आप लोगों को खास करके पसंद है और या किस तरह के कलेक्शन में हम आप लोगों को देखने वाले हैं?
You know, very honestly speaking, my personal style is comfort, and I'm so happy to be a part of this collection right now because I feel comfortable. Every time there's festival and I'm supposed to wear something Indian, I get stressed because I'm like, oh my god, I'm gonna have to wear that. And I will not.
It's so
I'll be
heavy
waiting to get rid of it. Like I'll be waiting to go home and change into my pajamas.
Correct.
This is the first time I felt like I can actually go to bed in this as well. It's that comfortable. It's soft. It just feels like the most soft and talam, what we say now, fabric that I'm wearing. So I'm thrilled. So Diwali, I'm wearing this.
No, honestly, I'm a Bengali, so we've always worn saris, you know, and it's a big part of how, you know, I've been brought up, and I love wearing saris, but saris that are, again, organic fabrics. Like, we wear a lot of cotton and, you know, linen and silk, which is soft, you know, that is nice to the skin and doesn't feel too much and doesn't look too garish. And I think this actually is an extension of that. And as Radhika said, I don't think you can look good in anything that you're not comfortable in. You know, style is all about. It's actually, you have to be comfortable. If you're feeling weird in it, you can never look good. You know, so this collection especially, I feel, as she said, that I'm feeling like this is me. You know, I mean, it really brings out my personality, and it complements my personality and how I'm feeling, and I don't have to think about how I'm sitting, how I'm, you know, it's just really free flowing, and yet it gives me a nice posture and makes me feel really nice. And you can actually, put jewelry as you like, and like right now we have this beautiful jewelry that has been.
I mean, it's quite flexible. You can wear it for festivals. You can wear it for a Sunday lunch with a friend. You just have to decide how to accessorize it, dress it up. So I think it's very flexible that way. I can wear it to watch a play at Prithvi, or you know, I can do anything. With like I can. It's very flexible. It's not that I have to wear it on the wedding of whatever.
And हाल ही में आप दोनों की फिल्म रिलीज हुई है बार बार देखो and पास्ट तो आप दोनों
पास्ट में, हाँ, पास्ट एक्चुअली हम दोनों की है.
जी बिल्कुल आप दोनों की है तो पास्ट को भी हमने देखा बहुत ही अच्छा रिस्पांस मिला है आपकी फिल्म को भी मतलब आपकी दोनों फिल्म
Don't bite your tongue, my friend.
तो कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप लोग कि
जाके देखो जिन्होंने नहीं देखा है, और क्या कहें.
बाबा देख लिया.
हाँ
झूठ मत बोलो. नहीं, वेल बार बार देखो, यू नो, इट्स फिल्म कैसा बॉक्स ऑफिस में करता है वो किसी के हाथ में नहीं है. एंड आई थिंक वी आर एक्सट्रीमली प्राउड ऑफ द फिल्म, एंड बहुत ही मज़ा आया था. एंड आई थिंक, यू नो, द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट रीज़न वाई वी डू वॉट वी डू इज, which is making films, is the joy of collaborating and the process with which you make the film, and that was beautiful in Baar Baar Dekho and Past. Although Past में मेरा काफ़ी छोटा role है, but actually Radhika is actually the reason why I got to be part of Past, because we met in a party and she said, you know, I'm doing a film जहाँ पे I think you can also be part of. But it was really sweet of her to say, actually मेरा जो role है उसमें तू fit होती है. But then she made me, she connected me with Leena, who's the director of the film, and we both met, and I always knew that I had to, no matter how small the part is, and Leena sort of told me that, you know, it's a really small part, but then I really wanted to be part of it, and I was like, I have to be part of the film because it's a very, very beautiful film, and obviously Radhika is stunning in the film. All the performances are brilliant. So
are you.
Thank you.
चलो थैंक यू सो
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.